Do you want to be taller? Well, listen chicken, let's rectify the neck. Instead of having a kyphosis and that the neck is flattened there, we are going to make it grow, and for that we have to free the anterior fasciae. We are going to put the little fingers, as I am putting them, which are going to adapt to the chin, and we are going to pull backwards with the neck completely straight. The other hand is going to rest on the back of the head, and we are going to make a torque until we notice a stretch in the suboccipital area. We are going to stretch the anterior muscles, the sternocleidomastoids, which make the neck go forward. If we are like this, we are not tall. We are going to put this little hand on the skin of the chest. We are going to turn towards this side. We are going to stretch this section. We are going to let the little head fall backwards, the left ear towards the back, and with the hand, we are going to pull the skin in this direction. After 50 seconds in this posture, we will stretch the other side.